Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the Chris Titus Tech tool. It's a tool that you should use once you freshly installed Windows. It's a very useful tool to install all the apps you need and also clean up your computer before it even gets messy. So we're just gonna get started right away. First thing we do is we open PowerShell as an administrator. We click yes. And you're going to be prompted with this black window. Don't be scared, we're only going to have to enter one singular command. I'm also going to put that command in the description so you can copy it and paste it yourself. So I prepared it here. We're going to copy this and paste it in here, hit enter. It's going to take a second and you'll already see Windows Utility opened as admin. And now we get prompted with the window. So here we actually get prompted with a bunch of apps we have. The first thing you should do is get installed. Click that. So actually every app you already have installed gets highlighted here. So click that and it's currently running. So we see it here in the background, getting installed apps. All right, now it ran and we can actually see what programs are installed right now. And the next thing you're gonna do is you choose every program you want. So for example, browsers, you can choose whatever browser you're comfortable using. All the big ones are pretty much up here. And then communication, you can download Zoom or Teams or Discord or whatever you wanna use to do your communication stuff. And you can do this for all this down here. And once you chose everything you want, you're just gonna simply click install/upgrade applications. You're gonna hit that and just wait. All right. Next thing we do is we come over to tweaks and you can just copy what I do exactly. Now this won't affect the functionality of your computer. It's just gonna make it run a tiny bit faster and just, take off all the unnecessary background apps and whatever. So we're gonna start by disabling consumer features, active history, game, DVR, hibernation. Leave hibernation on if you're using a laptop, but if you're using a desktop computer, disable this. Unless you need maps on your computer, also disable location tracking. This one is very important, enable end task with right click. So you can actually right click this one and it prompts you with the end task, which is the same as in the task manager. Very important, we set services to manual. And down here we go on disable background apps, disable recall, disable Microsoft Copilot. Set hibernation as default. You should do that if you're using a laptop. All right. That's pretty much it. And then once you clicked all these, you're gonna hit run tweaks. I'm not gonna do that because I already did that on my computer, but if you chose everything, you're gonna hit run tweaks. And once that is done, you can always check if it's still working on it here in the background. Once that is ran, you're gonna come over here under the customize preferences. If I were you, I'd disable Bing search in the start menu. So that means when you type something here, it doesn't bring up any Bing results. I would choose non-block on startup. Show hidden files is also good. Disable sticky keys. And that's pretty much it. All right. Under configuration, updates, and MicroWin, you don't really have to do anything. MicroWin would be useful if you're setting up a new installation, but other than that, that's pretty much it. So once again, I'm gonna paste the command into the description of the video. You can just copy and paste it from there. And it's very easy to use this program. You can't really do anything wrong. If you mess up or anything like that, you can just simply come over to tweaks and hit standard. Then it's gonna reset everything to default. So it's very user-friendly. So yeah, that's pretty much what you need to know about this tool. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.